In the distant year of 1903, when city streets were still filled with horses and wooden wagons, an American company named Knox Automobile Company introduced one of the very first commercial trucks in automotive history. It was called the Knox 3/4-ton stake truck, meaning it could carry up to 3/4 of a ton of cargo on a wooden flatbed with side stakes. This truck was a true innovation for its time. It was powered by a single-cylinder air-cooled gasoline engine that produced around 8 horsepower. By today's standards, that may sound modest, but in the early 1900s, it was a big step forward, especially for a work vehicle. The controls were unlike anything we are used to now. Instead of a steering wheel, the driver used a long upright lever, more like a tiller. The wheels were made of solid steel with hard rubber tires. The rear wheels were large and heavy, while the front ones were slightly smaller. Suspension? Virtually non-existent. Every bump in the road could be felt right through the wooden seat. The truck bed was completely open, with wooden side rails, hence the term stake truck. It was perfect for hauling goods, farm produce, or building materials. The Knox stake truck stands today as a mechanical pioneer, a symbol of how commercial transportation began over a century ago, laying the groundwork for the trucks we rely on every day.